Hey everybody, I'm here, raw face, yep, welcome to 50. I'm doing this to show you the benefits of Ylang Ylang and putting it under your eyes to get rid of bags, yes. Alright, here we go. We got one drop on either side, just the Ylang Ylang, and let's wait 30 seconds and see what goes on. Take a look. Yes, I'm looking at myself in the camera. There we go. Starting to fade. Isn't that amazing? Like, how long has this been? 30 seconds? Oh, all lights. Look at that. You really can't beat that, huh? I don't know of a product on the a chemical-free product on the market that can do that. And it's pure. Just Ylang Ylang. Good old Ylang Ylang. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. I'll give this another minute myself, and then I'll put on some foundation. I won't look so tired. Wow, look at that. It's good stuff. All right, bye. Hey, so this has been a minute since I stopped the video, just 1 minute later. Look at the difference. I mean, it truly is amazing. I'm just so impressed with Ylang Ylang, and it comes from Young Living. 100% pure. Yes, it's safe to put on your face. I really need to know that myself. So, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe. You don't want to miss tips and tricks like this, right? So join me every Wednesday. You just don't want to miss out. And to get this oil, guess what? There is no monthly fee, no membership fee. Just go to my website, select Become a Member, scroll down to the bottom, Continue Without Starter Kit, and boom, this oil is yours, taxes and shipping straight to your house, and you can order anytime at will without worrying about a monthly fee. Isn't that cool? All right, so we'll see you here next Wednesday, and until then, stay safe, live well, and happy oiling.